Step 2 on your arrow cactus is give them a little rinse. You know, they've been out there, they're dusty. The other thing this does is, these were the former flower petals, and they're a little stiff and they can kind of stick your fingers a little bit if you have delicate fingers. So by rinsing, they're nice and soft and flexible now. So after I have them in the bucket with water, put them up in the colander. Woo! And give them a rinse with running water. Just that water in the bucket's a little bit nasty from being soaked on. And there you go. There you have it. Set them out to dry a little bit. Not too much. You want to process them while they're still moist and the petals are nice and soft. And yeah, there'll be some seed on the towel. And you know what? If you shake that out in the yard, the birds will thank you. So there you have it. Step 1, harvest. Step 2, clean. And step 3 is going to be cutting them up.